Today we will learn how to connect your NQA assistant with Prestashop. The first thing we must do is log into the Prestashop platform. In this case, we will see that it is in 8.1.6, but it can also be in 9.0. We must pay close attention to this information because when logging into the NQA platform, if the version is 8.1.6 or lower, it is recommended to use web service, and if it is 9.0, it is recommended to use OAuth 2. After logging into Prestashop in NQA, you must select to continue the process. In the NQA platform, we will find this under Integrations and click on Prestashop. Here we enter the store URL and the API key. This data is obtained from the Prestashop platform in the Advanced Parameters item. Then, we click the Web Service button. We would add a new web service. We generate the key. Then, we go to the permissions. In this case, the ones we need are orders, products, and contacts. Click Save, then enter a name and copy the password. The URL we need and the password provided by the platform will appear. After entering these values, click Test Connection. Then, click Add Configuration. Here, select the bot and add the WhatsApp number if you want it to respond with carts or products. If everything is correct, you'll see an OK or Success message.